Hi, Phil Swift here for Flex Seal Colors, the colorful way to coat, seal, and stop leaks fast. Flex Seal Colors have the same sealing power as the original, now in vibrant colors that can transform and protect virtually anything. Unlike paint, Flex Seal Colors thick liquid dries to a watertight, flexible, rubberized coating. Just a quick shot fills cracks and holes, stopping the toughest leaks while remaining completely
The following message is transmitted at the request of your local police department. Numerous reports of suspicious activities have been happening in your local area. Citizens are advised